In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with creating a new message template in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just familiarizing yourself with its features, setting up templates can greatly streamline your communication processes. So, let's dive right in and make sure you're set up properly. First things first, before diving into any template creation, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your HubSpot account. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's always important to start off on the right foot with the correct access. With your login credentials sorted out, you're ready to begin exploring the many features HubSpot has to offer. Once logged in, the first place you want to navigate to is the trial guide. This is an invaluable resource housing everything you need to kick off your form building process. Think of the trial guide as your go-to library brimming with resources that can guide you every step of the way. With these resources at your fingertips, you'll have the knowledge and tools necessary to create templates that meet your needs. With that foundational step completed, let's move on to the core of setting up your template. You'll find yourself on the homepage after logging in, and from there, keep an eye on the search bar. This is where you'll enter templates, directing you to the relevant section within HubSpot. Once you type in templates, you'll want to specifically select message templates from the results. This will take you to the area where all the magic happens. From there, you'll see an option that says New Template. Give that a click, and now you're at the exciting part, selecting your creation method. Choose from scratch, which allows you to infuse your own creativity and specifics into the template without predefined constraints. Since you're crafting this template precisely to suit your needs, this is a fantastic opportunity to tailor it exactly as you envision. Next, it's time to enter a name and subject for your new template. Think carefully about what works best for your audience and what will succinctly convey the message of your template. The naming and subject are crucial as they'll help you identify the template easily in the future, ensuring both you and your team know exactly what this template is intended for. Lastly, once you feel confident in your name and subject, ensure everything looks good before you click that all-important Save Template button. Congratulations, you're now all set. Your new message template is saved and ready for you to use, effectively streamlining your engagement with clients or team members. That's it for today. You've successfully navigated HubSpot's template creation process, and now you're ready to make your communications more efficient than ever. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy template crafting.